See, there's a difference between the regular MBA and executive MBA. So in executive MBA, the typical batch is people who have got 7-8 years of experience. If you are trying to enter an executive MBA after 4 years of experience, you'll be one of the bachchas in the batch. Because a normal guy will be 10 years of experience there, 8-10 years of experience. And if you're a 5-year experienced person in a regular MBA, you are the older people in the batch. You'll be the granddaddy of the batch, so to say. So typically what an executive MBA does is it picks you up from where you are in your career. You are in some career, some industry. It picks you up in that industry and allows you to just jump 3 levels from there. The end result of an executive MBA is directly you're hitting the top posts of the company. But for a regular MBA, you're just a starter. So you have the choice. The advantage is you have the choice of the industry. In an executive MBA, if you have done, let's say, 10 years in the consumer durables industry, and you want to go to finance, you don't have that option, because if you try to do that, nobody is going to give you weightage for your past work experience there. Then you lose 5 years of experience there, and then you go into finance. But a regular MBA has the advantage that it allows you to go into any field. So that's the big advantage there. But typically at the end of the careers, both of them would be at the top of their profiles.